Welcome to the International Manufacturing Technology Show, a dynamic 6-day event covering 1.37 million square feet of space with 2,400 exhibitors and 115,000 attendees. To compete in today's business environment, visitors are seeking the greatest returns on their CNC investments through optimized machine performance, operational excellence, and workforce enhancement. Siemens is leading the way to digitalization in machine tool manufacturing with a booth designed to address the needs of job shops and contract manufacturers and enhance the capabilities of machine tool builders. Here you'll learn firsthand about seamless digital production and how to optimize your manufacturing resources. Booth tours are given daily, guiding visitors through the 5 steps to digitalization. Tours culminate at deep dive stations where greater insights are provided and discussions for effective integration to your business. For job shops and contract manufacturers, the 5 steps move along a progressive path, beginning with product design and planning through engineering to production and services. For machine tool builders, the 5 steps to digitalization begin with design and engineering, through virtual commissioning and robotics to operations and services. We are showcasing our newest hardware, Numeric Blackline Plus panels, featuring our intuitive HMI with truly conversational interaction. Combined with new ways of programming for enhanced efficiencies and new machine functions enabled by Software 4.8, manufacturers will realize faster and better workpiece results. Visitors can also learn about additive manufacturing technologies, which open the door to new product possibilities. To maximize your production efficiencies, we're demonstrating how Numeric simplifies the integration of robotics and other automation processes. As digital strategies are being implemented, manufacturers are looking for ways to measure and manage their plant floor data. To enhance your operations, connect your machines and your enterprise, and gain the advantage of advanced analytics, Siemens takes your business further with our new cloud platform, MindSphere version 3. Proving its viability across a wide range of applications, 18 international OEMs are connected to MindSphere while on display here at IMTS. Presentations and technical learning seminars are also being given at our main stage, covering important topics such as robotics, additive machining, and more. And for the greatest return on your people, Siemens has an entire booth dedicated to workforce development. Manufacturers can address the lack of skilled labor for CNC programming and operation with hands-on and virtual training courses. A wide range of topics are being taught right here at the show, with attendees following along using CNuTrain and seeing live demonstrations on a CNC machine. As digitalization accelerates in manufacturing applications, Siemens continues to lead the way with solutions that make it all possible for you. For those who were able to visit with us here at the International Manufacturing Technology Show, we thank you and look forward to helping you succeed. For those unable to attend, we extend an invitation for you to learn more by visiting our website and by reaching out to us. Thanks so much for your interest.